Thank you for the opportunity to share our vision. This presentation introduces TravellerCierge, a self-sovereign intelligence framework for trusted journeys. People and organizations want to manage their own data responsibly and trust the systems they depend on. KATLAS builds that foundation, connecting existing rail, health and logistics networks through verifiable, consent-based data exchange. The result? Safer, more inclusive and more efficient journeys for travellers, patients and supply networks. In rail, passengers want seamless journeys without giving away personal data. In logistics, shippers want transparency without central lock-in. And in health, citizens want responsible AI that protects their well-being, not someone else's business model. And across every domain, people want systems they can trust because they can control them. And that's why we built KATLAS, to enable self-sovereign intelligence, where every interaction is secure, verifiable, and productive by design. The Traveller Wallet is the human entry point to the trust rail, a self-sovereign digital twin that manages credentials, preferences, and consent. It enables direct trust between travellers, staff, and infrastructure. No central logins, no unnecessary data sharing. AI agents at the edge anticipate context, such as crowding or accessibility needs, verifying information locally while preserving privacy. And this foundation allows the rail network to become predictive, adaptive, and user-centered, a unified, privacy-respecting journey experience built on trust, not tracking. This slide shows the data ecosystem surrounding the Traveller Wallet. Each feed, from ticketing and schedules to IoT sensors and city APIs, forms a context stream that helps the AI agent layer make decisions in real time. The principle is simple: data minimization. None of this needs central aggregation. Each source provides verifiable signals to the wallet. A ticket scans reveals density, sensors, highlights stress points, all without sharing raw data. And together, these streams create a predictive, adaptive travel experience that improves resilience and accessibility while protecting privacy. In this slide, we show how the Traveller Wallet scales from individual consent to network-level coordination. The AI agent layer acts as a conductor. Agents negotiate with station systems, asset wallets, and other travellers to resolve congestion, reallocate access, or trigger maintenance. Every action is policy-bound and verifiable, and supported by zero-knowledge proofs of authority and intent. And this turns the rail ecosystem into a distributed adaptive intelligence, where learning, compliance, and coordination all occur at the edge, improving reliability and passenger experience. And the final layer in the trust rail architecture focuses on assurance and accountability. Instead of centralized databases or shared spreadsheets, each interaction, from ticket validation to maintenance, becomes a verifiable proof, anchored privately within a consortium ledger or operator domain. And regulators and partners can verify compliance through these proofs without ever seeing the underlying data, a concept known as zero-knowledge assurance. And this provides the confidence of a centralized audit system, but without its vulnerabilities or data handling risks. And now the patient wallet. This applies the same self-sovereign principles as the Traveller Wallet: verifiable credentials, privacy by design, and intelligent edge orchestration. But within healthcare, it supports the NHS Data Saves Life strategy and the responsible AI framework for making AI insights explainable, privacy-preserving, and auditable. Each patient controls their digital twin, a verified record of their identity, history, and consent, enabling clinicians, devices, and AI systems to share data responsibly by context and by consent. And this aligns with the NHS long-term plan and citizen account vision for personalised, digitally enabled care, creating an interoperable patient-led ecosystem built on trust and accountability. And the container health journey mirrors the patient and traveller architectures, extending the same self-sovereign trust model to logistics and asset performance. Each container becomes a digital twin, with verifiable credentials, capturing its origin, condition, and chain of custody, enabling trusted, auditable transactions across operators. 3D additive manufacturers issue digital product passports for parts and equipment using zero-knowledge proofs to identify authenticity, carbon compliance, and warranty without revealing proprietary data. Edge agents act as digital foremen, detecting anomalies, revalidating routes, and triggering maintenance automatically. With every movement, creates a cryptographic proof of custody and condition, turning the supply chain into a living nervous system of trust, provenance, and performance. We've now seen the three health journeys of travellers, patients, and containers. Each operates in a different domain, but they share the same architectural DNA, a self-sovereign trust rail built on verifiable credentials, digital product passports, and agentic AI coordination. Together they form a scalable foundation for interoperability, resilience, and productivity, one architecture powering many trusted journeys. Now, when we step back, these aren't separate solutions, they're expressions of one architectural intelligence layer. It's the same self-sovereign infrastructure enabling trusted intelligence across human, operational, and digital domains. And every signal from people, devices, and algorithms is verifiable at source. Consent, authenticity, and context travel together, allowing AI to act responsibly without overreach. And this is the foundation of TravellerCierge, trusted intelligence at source, linking human insight, IoT data, and AI reasoning into one self-sovereign fabric. It's how we move from connected systems to trusted systems, powering productivity through interoperability, assurance, and ethical automation. TravellerCierge is ready to move from concept to collaboration, complementing existing systems with a self-sovereign wallet that delivers trusted, inclusive journeys. Our next step is a focused pilot with partners to prove measurable value and readiness for scale.